Welcome to our Sky Suite. Welcome to our tour of cabin 9201. It is a Sky Suite. It's on deck 9 and the bathroom is wonderful, but we're going to show you the bedroom living space first.
Okay, so this is the bed that we get in the Sky Suite. However, they're the same beds basically throughout the ship. They're all a decent size and extremely comfy. So if you come over to the left-hand side of the bed, you've got the telephone where you can contact reception or anything regarding your dining, anything like that. Also, what we've got on this side, we've got an American plug and obviously one of the light switches for the room, which we haven't actually sussed out yet. And you've got two USB ports, which are extremely handy. So also on the side of the phone is a USB port, which comes in extremely handy. So on this side of the bed, there's 3 USB ports. And down on the side here, you've got 2 shelves. You've got a tray here, which can keep all your stuff nicely together, which I think is an extremely good idea. We've not had one of those before, so that's good.
Unfortunately, if you're this side of the bed when you sleep, you don't have any plug sockets. So all you do have here is your lamp and you've got some storage space here. So over on this side of the suite, you will find a desk, but the good thing about this is that it actually moves in and out. So you can slide it, which gives you then your full length mirror. What you could do if you've got lots of paperwork or you need to do some work while you're on your cruise, hopefully not, you have got this extra space. This is really, really handy with the chair. Moving on, we have some of the information that we get given as a Sky Suite guest. So we have normal things like the daily planner, but then we've also got information about the restaurant, Lumine, and we've got some information about things that are coming up. So also in the pack, we've got the menus for the room service, who are concierges, and our stateroom attendant and butler. So with a Sky Suite, we don't have a dedicated butler. We will share one and we should be able to access them via an app. Here is the box where we can hide all our plugs. Now, it's a good idea. I don't know in practice whether actually with us, with British plugs, it's the best, but you've got a European plug, 2 universals, and then 2 USBs. So hopefully there should be enough sockets to charge everything. So in here is the fridge, the mini fridge, and it is stocked with some soft drinks, some water, beer, and some Evian water as well. So as well as the mini fridge, we then have some drawer space. So we've got drawers and they are nicely divided for your clothing or anything that you want to keep tidy.
So in every stateroom you get a decent sized TV, which is around about a 55. However, the difference here is usually in your standard staterooms, your TV is at the end of the bed on the wall and facing you. So obviously it isn't facing the bed in this room, but there's a catch to it. Your TV spins out so you can actually watch it from the bed or back this way from your couch. Very clever.
So I really like the fact that you've got an extra seating area. You don't have to sit on the bed. That is something that comes standard with most celebrity cabins. So on the Infinite veranda and our porthole view veranda, we also had this, but it's really nice because you can sit and watch TV. If you're chilling out, you can sit and watch the world go by from your balcony through the windows. And as part of the retreat package, we had the option of choosing what kind of wine was going to be in our cabin when we first arrived. So we went for red, and so it's all set up ready to welcome us to our suite.
So let's just now have a look at the storage, what you get in this cabin. So in this wardrobe, we've got shelves, 3 shelves, nice size shelves. Again, a little bit of a thing just to store your little bits in really, so they don't move about, or you're just keeping them tidy basically. Also in this cabin, what we've noticed is a pair of binoculars, which is a great little touch. Also, we've got the usual safe. Again, it's a nice little safe, it won't fit a laptop in, but it will actually fit my iPad in, so that's a good little touch. And then you've got your 3 nice sized drawers. I'm sure we'll fill them, even though it's only a 6-day journey. Okay, so on this side, we've got the double wardrobe, which is a lovely size. You can come round, Laura, now. We've got plenty of coat hangers, which we did actually. They sent us an email and asked if we wanted extra coat hangers. So that's what we went for. You've got your usual robes, which are lovely and soft. Down at the bottom, we've got 2 pair of slippers. Or in the event of rain, they've left us an umbrella. Fingers crossed we're not going to use that. And the lovely thing on this, as much as you've got your long length mirror over that end of the cabin, there's also a mirror here to get ready, so we can both get ready at the same time.
So one of the things that we were most looking forward to of the Sky Suite was the bathroom, because it has a little bath in it. We've only been in one suite before with a bath, so this is a real luxury. And so come in and have a look. So it is a huge, great bathroom, and we have a huge wash basin. We can both clean our teeth here at the same time. And we have got some storage either side, which is really nice to put all your toiletries in. And we have also this space over here, which I think I might be using. So it's got a nice big mirror, so I can sit and do my makeup here. And it's also got a magnifying mirror as well. Here you've then also got your plug socket, which then means that you could dry your hair.
Now, one thing that is really cool in this bathroom is this. It starts as your mirror, but then slides open so you can see the beautiful views. Now, one great feature about this cabin is that you don't usually get these in an ordinary standard cabin, and it is a tub. Now, I love a bath. I'm not going to have many, but I definitely will have a bath. But the bath is so beautiful. You've got the rain head shower. You've also got the little hand wash shower. You've got the controls here, but you've actually got jets what come out that fascia. So that's interesting. And obviously this one down here is the tub filler.
So a really nice feature also is the separate toilet. So you've got your tub, your separate toilet, and then you've also got a little station where you can get ready, dry your hair and do your makeup.
Again, an amazing feature on these ships is the touch control for all the lighting. So you've got morning, movie, evening and sleep. And obviously then you've got your different tones on lighting, so it's lovely mood lighting. However, there's a great little feature in here. If we press the sleep button, we've got a great thing. At this point now, I don't even need to get Laura to open the curtains.
Finally, let's show you the balcony. This is a decent sized balcony. It's bigger than a standard balcony. With the infinite verandas, it's different. But if you really like a balcony, then a Sky Suite would be a good option, especially if you like to spend lots of time out there in your private space. Perhaps you like to have breakfast out on your balcony. And so this would be a really good option if you want to use this space a lot on your cruise. Let's have a look.